Thus, I highly encourage you to use the computer. Those skills I already shared with you during the class. Okay. But just one rule: no talking or discussion on site or online with anyone during the exam time. The second rule: I know some students cannot take this midterm on time. Thus, I promise I will not leak, talk, share any information about the questions in 2 weeks. Okay. Then just a notice, when you see the triangle, the black triangle, it means upload your chart or your plots. You can screenshot or copy the figure, the plot in a single file. You can use Google Office, Microsoft Word, or LibreOffice. Either one is okay. Then upload to this website. Later, I will give the website. I didn't prepare it yet. Okay. And please remember, the file name should be student number plus your first name. For example, B1234567 I-Yuan.doc. That's okay. And just a reminder, the titles of figure x-axis and y-axis are also important. So don't forget this one. Okay. Question 1. Here is a survey about the campus, about the brand name of laptop student used. For example, HP, Lenovo, Asus, Dell, something like this. Please fill out the blanks. Oh, sorry, I forgot to change the laptop. Brand of laptop: Acer, Apple, Asus. Please find the frequency. For example, if you find the Acer for 3 times, you can write down 3. And here is the relative frequency. It means the individual frequency divided by the sum. And here, angle in degrees for a pie chart. Yeah, the one complete pie, that is 360 degrees. Please calculate this one. For example, if you have 30 pieces and one brand name, that is 10, the frequency is 10, thus 10 divided by 30 multiply 360, that would be 120 degrees. You can write down 120 or something like this. And the second one, please draw a bar chart above. Okay, I show you that you can review my lecture or my lecture next year. And please upload this figure. Please draw a pie chart. Please upload it. Oh, okay, the next question. Okay, for the question 1, any question? Okay, let me move. Second question. $1 plants more bean sprouts. And here is one of the records about the time and height. Time 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The height is 0, 0.1, 0.2, 2, 4, 8, 18. Okay, please plot a time series and upload it. Just a reminder, the first 2 plots is a regular plots, but here you need to use X, Y distribution. Okay, don't make any mistake. You need to use, you can use Google Office, you can use Microsoft Excel, you can use LibreOffice. Either one is okay. Check it. Or you can review my explanation next year. You know where to find it? If you don't know, you can ask this question. I will show you. Okay, next. Question number 3. $1 select 8 dogs in an animal hospital and their weights in kilograms are this one. Please list the number from small to big, from left to right, like this. And yeah, sure, I demonstrated how to use Google Office to do this. You can copy, paste, and rearrange it. You will get it in maybe a few minutes. Okay. Please find the median. Just a reminder, median for odd number and for even number is a little bit different calculation. Okay, what about the average weight? Please check the number to 3 decimals. Check to 3 decimals. Okay, questions? Okay, let's move to question number 4. Question number 4, suppose a vet wants to analyze the weight of cats. The weights in kilogram of the 6 cats are 3.7, blah, 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 like this. Find the deviation for each of the data value. X value listed from small to big. From small to big, please write it down. And what's the sum? What's the sum? You don't need to write down the unit, kilograms. You don't need that. Then X minus average. What's the answer? X minus average. And where is the sum? Where is the sum? And then here, the square of the X minus X, the average. Yeah, if you are familiar with operating the Google Excel or Microsoft Excel, this one can be solved very easily in a few minutes, and you can calculate the sum. Then please remember, to calculate standard deviation in this case, we need to use first n or n minus 1 in the denominator. The question is like this. Do you remember that? Okay, my question is, you need to use n or n minus 1 here, or n minus 1 here. Choose one, n or n minus 1. Please check the definition on the textbook. You know that? Please calculate the sample standard deviation. Sample, what does it mean? It's not a population standard deviation. Again, it's a sample deviation, not a population standard deviation. Okay, 2 marks here. Then move to question number 5. Question number 5. The total assets in billions of new Taiwan dollars in Taiwan Bank to 40, to 55, to 61, like this. There are 11 numbers, it's an odd number. Please find a 5-number system. What's the n? The total item numbers. What's the minimum? What's the Q1 for 25%? What's the median? 50%. What's the Q3? What's the maximum? What's the IQR? What's the range? What's the mean? Okay, you can review this part. This question is similar to example 3.3. Okay, so I think it's a good time you can review the textbook very carefully, Okay, question number 6. Suppose you conduct an experiment where you pull a car from a standard deck. Keep the denominator as 52. Okay. Probability of getting a diamond, and the number is less than 6. What's the probability? And here S is as 1, S in the cards as 1. The second question, the probability of getting a car that is equal to or larger than 7. Larger than 7? Okay. Yeah, for example, I think $1 reminds us the denominator should be 52. 52. If you think the probability is 13, you can write down the 13. You don't need to simplify it as a 1/4. You don't need to do that. You don't need to do it. Just write down 13 over 52. That's okay. That's okay. Then question number 7. Suppose your experiment is to roll 3 dice, A, B, C, 3 dice. How many combinations are in a sample space? Just right now, if you think 3 dice, the sample space, if you think there are 5 or there are 6, just write down the number. You don't need to list all outcomes. Okay, list the events of getting a sum of 4. For example, the sum of 13. One event can be dice A 4, dice B 3, dice the die C, that is 6. The sum is 13. So what's the event getting a sum of 4, like this? Okay. What is the probability of getting a sum of 17? Probability. Okay, so far any question? Number 7 is identical as last year. I highly encourage you can check the videos this semester. All the exam. 1 minute, please. Yeah, you can go to here, go to my website, and you can type 2024 statistics. No? Oh, okay. Here, statistics 2024. Then you can move to the website and check the YouTube playlist. Then move to April 2024, April. Here, explanations on the midterm exam. I encourage you to watch this one. Sure, this year, except the number 7, other questions from 1 to 6, I changed the data, changed the value a little bit. So I encourage you, if you want to study the textbook again, that's okay. Or you can use this one. Okay, so far, any question? Okay, who didn't sign in? Okay, enjoy the exam.